Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this easy princess cake. I start by putting some buttercream on my cake board to make sure that my cake doesn't move. And now I start to stack my cake. And now I start carving my cake. Remember, the best way to do this is going little by little. To give it a little bit more of an angle, I start carving now from the top 2 layers. Now even it out a little bit from the bottom layer. I also go sideways to give it like a cone shape. Add some buttercream on top and put a small piece of cake and start carving again. This part you need to be very, very gentle because the cake is so small. Now I'm using buttercream to start crumb coating. Once you're done, you could put it in the freezer for a couple of hours. And now I'm doing a second coat, but with yellow buttercream. Now I can use my scraper to get rid of those rough edges and clean up my cake board. With a Wilton petal piping tip, I start making ruffles on the bottom of my cake. To start decorating the dress, I need to mark down some lines. Now to make the waves of the dress, I am using a Wilton petal piping tip number 127D. I am guiding myself with the lines that I previously made, and it just works perfect. In the middle of the cake, I am making 2 sets of waves, and the color is like a mustard. Time to add my gold edible pearls. Now for the princess, I went ahead and printed an edible image, added some CMC to my fondant, rolled it out, glued the princess to it. I also added some sticks to be able to stand it up. But if you don't have this, that's fine. You can go ahead and print out the picture with a regular printer and just add the sticks to be able to stand it up. And to be on the safe side, I would add some clear tape to my non-edible image just to make sure it doesn't get greasy from the buttercream and it also doesn't touch my cake. I make sure that the sticks actually show in the back and not the front. Add your princess to the cake, and with a 127 tip, I'm just going to cover this empty sides. You can add the name, and you could also add some red roses. If you would like to learn how to make those red roses, I am going to leave you the link in the description box. And this is all. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you.